What's up, you guys? FSC Speed Shop. Guys, I got some real exciting news for the channel coming up right here. I'm going to announce it right here, right now. FSC Speed Shop originally was started with the idea of building custom cars. I had no idea that anybody would be at all interested in watching me drive Orwell here. In fact, when I first bought Orwell, I was actually going to avoid YouTube altogether, being I didn't think anybody would want to see that. I thought it was going to be more about custom cars and such. However, with that being said, the analytics has shown that you guys on this channel, FSC Speed Shop, as currently named, prefer to see me driving the truck. The car, as fun as it may be, the analytics show the majority of my viewers simply do not want to watch this. And that messes with the analytics. Also, the analytics show that when I start working on Orwell, there is an audience for that, about half of them. The rest guys want to see me driving the truck and really don't want to see me working on it. So what I've decided to do, and I've often wondered why other YouTubers do it, although the analytics basically shove me into that direction, which may be a good thing. So what's going to happen is the channel you guys are watching right now, FSC Speed Shop, is going to quietly change its name. Eventually I'm going to rename it to FSC Trucking. That's right, what I'm going to do with that channel is simply drive the truck. That's going to be out on a road adventures, things we do with the truck as far as hauling goes. Any breakdowns or mechanical issues on the road will be on that channel. How I solve that problem, the basic maintenance of Orwell, down to changing your brakes, tires, engine repair, your basic oil changes, in fact. All that stuff is going to be on a whole nother channel. That channel is going to be called FSC Truck Shop. FSC Truck Shop is going to be another part of the YouTube adventure that we're all in together. FSC Truck Shop will be in the repair of Orwell, the maintenance of Orwell. Also, that big Detroit I just bought, the rebuild of that engine, and the build of the truck that that engine will go into. So any future custom builds or maintenance on trucks will be on FSC Truck Shop. The current channel, FSC Speed Shop, will eventually change its name also to FSC Trucking. FSC Trucking will simply be me driving Orwell, really simply put. So guys, if you're subscribed, you're not going to notice any major change. All you're going to see is all of a sudden, oh, FSC Speed Shop turned into FSC Trucking. And then there's this other spin-off channel, check out FSC Truck Shop. And like I said, that's where we're working on Orwell, working on the other trucks that we do right here with the 352, whatever it might be, working in the shop with the trucks. Then, of course, eventually we're going to find another spot for the automotive section, which originally was the intent of the channel to begin with. So with that, there will be a place to find this car. There will be a place to find my 64 Impala, the Mercedes, and all the other stuff that I've got on the automotive side of life. So in the end, that's how it's going to be. Thanks and enjoy the video. lift on a front end loader. Good cut it. We're gonna put it over by the bathroom. That's what they were in them days. So yeah, I'm not sure what kind of truck I'm gonna put it in, but it's gonna go in a truck. Good deal. Oh yeah. All right. Well, anything for your trouble? Don't worry about it. Sure? Yeah. All right, big dog. Appreciate the help. You bet.
Thank you much.
And next we take the bike off.
A little nervous when he was tilting it that way because it's already on a slope. I'm like, ugh.
Yeah, it was bolted to the pallet, so I wasn't really worried. That's just the flexure of the wood.
Yeah.
Hey Matt, what are you doing?
I'm taking the windshield off.
First mod, huh?
Oh yeah. Just not a fan of the look. Well, that one's stripped.
Matt, which color you got, the blue or the red?
I got red.
Hey, where's this bike made?
Yeah.
Where's this bike made?
It's made in Japan.
So why are you using fractional?
Because when I was test fitting it, fits fractional.
No, you weren't. You forgot. Let's just be honest. That was nice having him move by Detroit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's moved stuff for you before. He just won't ever want money for it.
What else are you looking for? Hold it.
What? I might steal that and put it on the gold line, actually.
Steal what?
The shark.
Oh. Really?
Yeah, I might steal that and put it on the gold line.
Oh, okay.
Plug in Bluetooth to the radio.
Oh.
Yeah, that does look better.
See?
The only thing is, though, you got the big ass. You push strip it down, take the bags off.
I think I might leave those 2 bags.
Well, you ain't gonna ride no people on her anyway.
No, not for a while.
And if you are, you want bitches to put. If you are gonna ride with.
Get rid of that so then you go like that with their boobies.
Right.
I got you. I know. I've seen the shirts.
Good. Help me out with this real quick.
Put it on.
Yeah, grab the wheel. Push on the brake. Release. Because no one's on a seat.
Oh.
Huh? Oh.
Probably have it weird.
There's a. Now it's out. There's a lever you can pull in the back to disengage it from the hydrostatic.
So How do I call him? Here you go, Rocky boy. You're making a mess.
How big do burn off the drop?
I did it a little bit,
Now Brock got his mower.
All right, so it's object number 2 off the trailer. One more.
One more left. Yeah, I only gotta be a little more careful with.
Oh yeah. What do you mean? What about the engine?
Oh, that's different.
That's
Bike.
yours.
Bike still's more valuable than the engine, though.
No. Well,
yeah, it is.
sentimentally, yeah.
And value-wise, the bike's worth more than that engine.
True. Yeah.
Current condition, once it's built, you need like
Oh.
4 of these.
Oh yeah. Yeah, by far. I do like the look without the windshield though.
Yeah.
Much nicer. It's gotta take off the little accessories that Grandpa's got, and then that part, and maybe the saddlebags. If that's how I want to do it, but I'm not sure yet. There's my new puppy.
I think it'd look badass without the bag.
I think so too. Now I'm
That's the
looking at
look
it
I like.
because I'm thinking of your bike, and your bike looked really, really nice without them.
Yeah.
But I like having them because if I need them, I can put them on.
You can always bolt them. Right.
Exactly. Just bolt them right back on.
Right. You can always bolt them back on. So there you go. I mean, it's up to preference. You know what I mean? The way Grandpa rode, you know, he liked having the big bags.
Oh yeah.
But he had the gold wing. Me, I like minimalism on the bike.
Yeah.
Especially on short distances. Now, if you're gonna do any traveling with it, then bolt them back on and then get a bag like I got on the Harley.
Yeah.
And hook it on your sissy bar.
Will do.
But like you said, you know, if you got a girly on the back, you know, unless you're gonna ride her long distance on the bike, you're gonna want her hanging on to you. So
Definitely.
better off that way if you can.
Exactly.
Trust me. Beano will tell you the same.
Of course, Beano will.
Yeah. So, all right. I'm gonna back up so you can put the ramps from the trailer right to the lawn.
Okay.
Okay. I don't want to do it here because I'll wind up in the pond.
Makes sense. I like that
Back
idea.
up over there. That was a straight level runoff,
Okay.
and then I'll just ride it straight off.
Will do.